I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to deposit money into your NatWest account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your online banking. Start by accessing your NatWest online banking account through the website or mobile app. Enter your login credentials to gain access. Step 2. Navigate to the deposit section. Once logged in, look for the Payments or Transfers tab in the main menu. Click on it to find the option for making a deposit. Step 3. Select your account. Choose the account where you want to deposit the funds. Make sure to double-check that you're reselecting the correct account to avoid any mix-ups. Step 4. Enter deposit amount. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review all the details of your deposit, then click the Confirm or Submit button to finalize the transaction. You should receive a confirmation message shortly after. Depositing money can be a breeze once you know the steps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out for help.